How to allow Messenger access to photos on an iPhone or Android phone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook Messenger tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grant access to the Messenger app to your photos. So if when you try to post a photo within Messenger, you get this message right here, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to fix that. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. All right, so the steps to granting Messenger access to your photos will be a little bit different depending on the type of phone that you have. So on an iPhone, all you need to do is open up the settings. Then with the settings open, scroll all the way down to where you start seeing a list of the apps installed on your iPhone and select Messenger. From there, simply select Photos, and then you have a couple options. You can either select specific photos that you'll share with the Messenger app, or you can select all photos. Once you've given access to the photos, close the Messenger app by swiping it away, and then when you open it and try to send photos again, Messenger will now have access to photos. Now on an Android phone, to allow Messenger access to your photos, simply open up the settings on your Android phone, then select Apps. Then in here, we just want to select See All Apps and find Messenger. Once you find Messenger, select it, and then select Permissions. And then in here, all you need to do is find Photos and Video, select that, and then you can select to allow it or for it to ask you every time. Once you make your selection, like I said, close Messenger. Then when you reopen it, Messenger should now have access to your photos. All right, so that's how you allow Messenger access to your photos on an iPhone or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook Messenger tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.